morning, greetings and salutations YouTube. It's really sunny. What is up? How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm checking on these two plants because I left them over here yesterday when I was putting soil in them, and I was also, what was I doing? I added, what is it called, to them, fertilizer. I wanted to see how much sun they got, and they're like actually still pretty shaded. So I think I might move this one, because this one doesn't like the sun as much as this one. I think this one can do pretty well there. I actually might move it to the spot. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep watching them. But this one's been doing really, really well outside. And then I'm checking these plants to see how much sun they get, cause I don't want anything to burn up on me, so I'm just keeping an eye on everything. Hey guys, I am making avocado toast, so I'm making some eggs. One of them exploded when I got my avocado right here, all mashed up, ready to go. Eliza is outside doing Pokemon yoga, and it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm making a Korean egg sandwich, but I'm gonna make it avocado toast style. So let's see how this goes. I'll let you guys know if it's delicious or not. So I flipped it. I added the avocado, and now I'm going to add some of the everything but the bagel seasoning, and then I'm gonna flip it and let's see how it goes. Alright you guys, it's all done. I'm gonna try it now. Cool. Alright you guys, how should I cut it, John? This way or this way?
Zachary, no!
Just straight.
Like this?
Yeah.
Zach.
Oh, bro.
Wait, did no one get it yet?
Whoa. That looks real good.
You want to get it?
No. Like, orange, what?
She said an orange? Go get it from there, the hand. Somebody already did it.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. It's so good, and it's so light and fluffy too. Come on, John, you wanna take a bite? Alright, try it out. It's like really good.
Dude, the avocado's like
Amazing. It's just falling out everywhere. Whoa, slurp it up. How was it?
it's good.
So for dinner, Mama's going to prepare some chicken enchiladas. She's already making them beforehand. Look at that.
Yes.
Super good with green sauce. Yummy.
Leftover chicken.
With our leftover chicken from the other night. Ooh, I cannot wait. This is gonna be so good. Okay, so Mom just made some chocolate muffins, and they are looking delicious. Look at that.
They're so soft.
They're so soft and fluffy.
So soft.
And she used our pampered chef from the thrift store. Oh, are you eating one, Mom? I'm eating one too. Yeah. Alright, YouTube. I didn't film when I went to the store, but I did go to the store with John's help, and we picked up some potting mix, and then we got some plants for Mom. We also got some strawberries. Look at this beautiful Monstera adenoncia. I think this is the wide form is what that's called, and I'm very excited because I've always wanted one of those. And then I already forgot what those other flowers are, but I'm pretty excited over this. We're gonna bring them in, and yeah, that's it for now. Alright you guys, we are in my room now, and I just wanted to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with us today. It was so much fun. First of all, let's recap on what happened today, because first of all, the sandwich that I made this morning was so good. It's the, I have my headphone in. It's the what was it called? The Korean egg sandwich combined with the avocado toast, and it's so delicious. It was really easy to make, so I just made the sandwich normally, and then I just put the avocado in, and then everything but the bagel seasoning, and I just folded it up like normal, and I was good to go. And it was life-changing. It was so good. I don't know, I feel like that's how I'm always going to eat my avocado toast from now on. So if you guys want a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that sandwich, let me know. Though it's very easy to just like find one online and then just substitute with the stuff that you put inside with the avocado and then the seasoning, and you're good to go. But it was so delicious, so light and fresh, and it was just so good. I really liked it. Then we went to the store. First of all, I had to go to the bank first, and then I brought John with me because I needed some more soil because I want to do a bunch of replanting, repotting, and all that stuff. And I was looking for specific vegetables for Mom that we want to plant inside our garden, and some flowers. Unfortunately, I didn't find 2 of the vegetables that Mom was looking for. Actually, the only 2 vegetables that she wanted. She wanted specifically okra and Japanese eggplant. Neither one was to be found at either one of the Lowe's stores that we went to. I did find strawberries at the second store. The first store had strawberries, but they literally looked so crispy and so dry, and I was like, what is up with these strawberries? They look crazy. So I was able to find the strawberries. I found those a really beautiful monstera plant. I'm gonna try and like include photos like as I'm talking about all this stuff too. But I was able to find that really beautiful monstera, and I have been wanting that kind of like that type of monstera because I have the Adenonii. That's like one of the first monsteras that I have ever purchased. And I've had my original plant for so long. I've propagated it 1,000,000 times, and I have like so many things of that plant inside the house. But there's the narrow leaf version, and there's like it's like the round or the wide version of the leaf, and the leaf is like instead of being like long and thin, it's like a little bit fatter, and that plant was it. So I'm very excited about that plant. It was a little pricey though. It was $25, but I mean, I've literally never seen it anywhere else, and I know it's not like super rare, like that type plant isn't very rare anymore. I feel like a couple years ago it was a lot more rare and hard to find. Now I've been seeing it popping up everywhere. But this is the first time I've seen it in any of my stores and online, so I'm pretty excited about that. And what else was it? I totally lost my train of thought. So we got home, unloaded everything, and then got everything in the backyard. I haven't done anything to it. I literally just left them back there. I kind of forgot to water them too. I think they'll be okay till the morning, because when we got home it was already like afternoon and it was shaded over there. But so tomorrow I want to do a lot more. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with those plants. I'm gonna go plant them. I don't know what Mom wants to do with the flowers that we got, because I'm gonna figure something out. And then, I don't know if you guys remember back there, we have like these, we've never done anything with them. I have these 2 plant wall things, and I want to do something with them, and I would definitely want to put like herbs and stuff inside of them. But I saw, like, I thought I would have to plant them with like dirt inside, but then I saw, I think I saw somewhere like online, like on YouTube or Instagram, you can just put the potted plant inside of there, and as long as the plant has like drainage, like in the water, like extra water can just drain out, and it's totally fine to just leave it like that instead of just like putting dirt inside the pockets, which I think is going to be a lot better. So I'm going to try doing that with some of the plants that I already own and see how that is. But let me know what you guys think as to what I should put in there. I definitely just want to put a bunch of like cooking herbs. Like I want to do basil, I want to do thyme, I want to do rosemary, and then like some pretty plants that just like maybe flowering, or plants that have like kind of vines or something. So I don't know. but it's gonna be in pretty much full sunlight. So it needs to be plants that can like take full sunlight, because a lot of like the back of our backyard is completely sunny the whole entire day, and the sun can get very intense. Only on like the one side of our house where we have the courtyard is there like some partial shade and shaded parts throughout the day. So I don't know, I'm just like blabbing on at this point, but I'm pretty excited about planting. I've been kind of like obsessed with it these past few weeks, so I hope you guys enjoy that kind of stuff. Let me know. I know a lot of you guys have been here originally for like thrifting and handbag rehabs, but that's just not what my life has been about these past few weeks in quarantine. So yeah. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. and yeah, see you guys then. Bye.